Hello students, I have come to take another series of the IGCSE questions, and the question of interest that we want to look at is the question of the paper is 9709 stroke 21 taken October, November 2019, paper 2. This paper 2, definitely is paper 2, pure mathematics. Yeah, so the question is the one I already have here, and it reads, the polynomial px is defined by px is ax cubed plus ax squared minus 15x minus 18, where a is a constant. It is given that x minus 2 is a factor of px. Roman 1, find the value of a, 2 marks. Using this value of a, that's Roman 2, factorize px completely, that's 3 marks. Then hence, Roman 3, solve the equation p of e raised to power root of y is equal to 0, giving your answer correct to significant figures. Now I will start with the first one. The first one, we are told that given that x minus 2 is a factor of px, if x minus 2 is a factor, then we know that we take x to be 2, therefore p of 2 will be given by, where there is x, we put 2. So that will be 8a plus 4a plus, no, minus 15x, no, minus 15 times 2, that's 30, 30, minus 30, minus 18. So that implies that P2 is equal to 12a minus 48. Equate P2 to 0. That gives us 12a minus 48 is equal to 0, implying again that a is 4. Because you take this the other side, then get the value of a. So a is 4. Then 2 marks, Roman 2. Using this value of a, factorize px completely. So I already have a to be 4. So I will substitute that a here. So my px will then look like this. It will be 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 15x minus 18. Now that's our px. We are expected to factorize this completely using x minus 2. So we say x minus 2 into 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 15x minus 18. Now to divide this